Friends, welcome to Circandron LDC classes. In this class, we are going to see one series of our 500 questions of commercial. Okay. Question number 201, 201. A person pulling alarm chain without valid reason shall be prosecuted as per action dash of Railways Act 1989. Your answer will be option C, 141. Question number 202. CGST stands for Central Goods and Service Tax. Question number 203. The highest scale in parcel is R scale. Question number 204. LAP is credited to leave account of an employee at the rate of 15 days every half yearly. Question number 205. The headquarters of North East Frontier Railway is Guwahati. Question number 206. Platform ticket is valid for 2 hours. Question number 207. EFT is prepared in 3 files by ticket checking staff. Question number 208. An unconfirmed e-ticket gets cancelled automatically after charting. Say true or false. Your answer will be true. Question number 209. Maximum number of break journey permitted on circular journey ticket is, your option is D, 8. PNR stands for passenger name record. Question number 211. Period spent on training immediately before appointment to service shall count as qualifying service. Say true or false. Your answer will be true. Question number 212. Dash days of CL are entitled in a calendar year for staff in administrative office. 8. Question number 213. Luggage not securely packed will not be accepted for booking. Say true or false. Your answer will be true. Question number 214. Minimum service to get the eligibility for pension is 10 years. Question number 215. Who is the GM of Southern Railway? Friends, give the answer of this question in the comment box. Question number 216. To become eligible for TA, the distance beyond the radius of 8 kilometers from the headquarter area should have been performed. Question number 217. PNR of a reserve ticket consists of 10 digits. Say true or false. Your answer will be true. Question number 218. Break journey is not allowed on privilege passes. Say true or false. Your answer will be false. Question number 219. Railway board is situated at New Delhi. Question number 220. When is Hindi Divas celebrated? Your answer will be 14th September. Translate the following in Rajbhasha Hindi main Anuvad. This is, friend, no need. Just for your information purpose, I will submit it. You can see this one. Okay. Question number 237. For implementation of Hindi, into how many regions is the country divided? Your answer will be option C, 3. Who is the chairman of Central Hindi Committee? Your answer will be Prime Minister. 239. In terms of Article 342(1) of the Constitution of India, Hindi language in Devanagari script, okay, shall be the official language of the Union. Question number 240. Representation when made or signed in Hindi shall be replied to in Hindi. Question number 241. The forms and headings on registers shall be in Hindi and English. Question number 242. Responsibility to implement official language rules is of head of office. Question number 243. When a high official is travelling with unexchanged HOR, the duty of ticket checking staff is, your answer will be option C, issue free EFT after collecting HOR. Question number 244. Quarter can be retained for dash on normal rent in the event of death, 24 months. Question number 245. Dash forms is used for placing a railway employee under suspension. Standard form number 1. 246. Dash form is used for imposition of minor penalty. Standard form number 11, SF11. 247. Dash form is used for imposition of major penalty. Standard form number 5, SF5. 248. RTI stands for right to information. Question number 249. Full refund of fare is entitled on an unconfirmed ticket. Your answer will be no. Question number 250. Separate accommodation should be provided for ladies as per section 58 of Railways Act 1989. Question number 251. For extension of retiree room for the next 24 hours, option C, 25% of the extra charges are collected. Question number 252. An appeal against the decision of the Railways Claim Tribunal can be made to dash. Option A, High Court. Question number 253. What is the time limit for submission of written statement of defense by the delinquent railway servant? Your answer will be 10 days. Question number 254. Dash proof of passenger is required while travelling in all reserved classes. Identity proof. Question number 255. Number of divisions in Southern Railway. How much? Give the answer in the comment box. Question number 256. The categorization of station for providing passengers amenities shall be reviewed every 5 years. 257. Full form of Umeed. Unique medical identification. Question number 258. Who is the Minister of Railways? Friends, give the answer of this question in the comment box. Who is the head of Zonal Railway Vigilance Organization? Question I repeat. Who is the head of Zonal Railway Vigilance Organization? Your answer will be SDGM. Question number 260. The serial number stock of UTS ticket consists of how many digits? Your answer will be 8. Question number 261. FOIS generated RR contains how many digits? Your answer will be 9. Question number 262. Compulsory retirement is a major penalty. Say true or false. Your answer will be true. Question number 263. The code for Hyderabad railway station is what? HYB. Okay. Question number 264. Which of the following statement is not correct? Your answer will be option D. Full fare is not required for child opting full berth. Remaining option is correct. Question number 265. AP Express runs between. Friends, you remember the station from which train has been start, which division you belongs. You remember these points. Okay. Question number 266. The Mughal Sarai junction has been recently renamed as Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Nagar railway station. Question number 267. What is the name of the first train of Indian Railways handed over to private players for operation? Your answer will be option A, Tejas Express. Question number 268. Which of the following is the largest marshalling yard in India, also the longest in Asia? Your answer will be option D, Mughal Sarai, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Nagar. Question number 269. Maximum stay in railway retiree room is option B, 48 hours. Indicate whether the under mentioned statement are true or false. Suspension is a major penalty. Statement is your false. Question number 271. Leave encashment shall be admissible subject to a maximum limit of 300 days in respect of the employee retiring from service. Your answer is true. Question number 272. A special pass may be issued to family members or dependent relatives on medical grounds. This statement is correct, true. Question number 273. Concession fare shall be calculated on Mail by Express basic fare. Statement is true. 274. Passengers can opt giving up senior citizen concession. Statement is true. Question number 275. Reservation can be made under Tatkal scheme in advance of 2 days, excluding the day of journey at originating station. Your statement is false. Question number 276. The element of concession for a cancer patient in sleeper class is 100%. Statement is true. Question number 277. HOR is issued to high officials such as CPTM. Statement is false. Question number 278. Cloakroom ticket is a journey ticket. Statement is false. Question number 279. Functions of commercial department are. Your answer will be D. Sales of transport, creation and development of traffic, maintaining public relations. These all belongs to function of commercial. So your answer will be option D. Question number 280. Concession certificate issued for the blind person is valid for a period of 5 years. Your answer will be option C. Question number 281. On return journey, MBST holders can carry. Your answer will be option B. empty. Market vendor, season ticket holder, returning time empty. Question number 282. Interrail pass is issued only foreigner, tourist or NRIs. Now this time this one limited or reduced. Question number 283. Break journey is not allowed on concession booked tickets. Your answer will be, this statement is true. Question number 284. A privilege pass is valid for a period of 5 months from the date of issue. Statement is true. Question number 285. Deaf and dumb concession is not allowed in which of the following classes? Your answer will be option D. AC 2 tier. Question number 286. The cost of platform ticket is 10 rupees. Option C is your answer. 287. A staff working against sensitive post is required to be transferred after completion of 4 years. Your answer will be option B. Question number 288. The normal age of retirement of railway servant is 60 years. Question number 289. Rail travel coupons RTC are issued to option C. MLH and MLC both. So your answer will be option C. Question number 290. Dash sets of privilege pass are admissible to non-gazetted staff who have completed 5 years of service. Your answer will be 3 sets of pass. Question number 291. Upgradation scheme is not considered for. Your answer will be option B. Concession ticket holders. Okay. Question number 292. The free allowances of luggage in AC 3 tier coach is 40 kg. You wrongly typed. Question number 293. One escort for every dash girls of any age is allowed at concessional fare on a student concession ticket. Your answer will be option B. 4. Okay. Question number 294. In case a senior citizen fails to provide age proof, he would be. Your answer will be C. Charged only the difference between concessional tickets and actual tickets. Question number 295. Cost of monthly Izzat season ticket is option B. 25 rupees. Question number 296. The overall in charge of the division is option C. DRM, Divisional Railway Manager. Question number 297. Question under RTI has to be replied within 30 days. Question number 298. Amount of compensation payable in case of death in railway accident is option D. 8 lakh. Question number 299. A person found travelling without ticket intentionally to defraud railway is dealt under section 137. Question number 300. Night duty allowances is paid for having performed the duties between 22 hours to 6 hours. Okay. Here friends, we will see the 100 questions of commercial which is important for our coming exams. Okay. Thank you.